Hi guys, my name is Chetan and welcome to my channel English with CD with no spaces at all. Today we are again back with the same speaking topic of cue card, or we say part 2. And the topic for today is describe your favorite singer. The questions are: how do you know this person? What is this person like? Basically about nature. And do you think he or she is good or not? And before I begin, I would like to introduce you to a few vocabulary words which I've used during my speaking topic so that you get a better understanding. And trust me, if you use these words, it'll certainly be elevating your score as well to at least 8.5. But most importantly, remember, fluency is the most vital factor when it comes to speaking. So maintain your fluency all through. And also, whosoever has not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe it, like it, share it. I do come up on a regular basis with speaking videos and otherwise topic. So please do that. So let's quickly begin without wasting any time. So songs and music, I feel, have been the most eternal factor of the universe. They were there since the beginning. When you look at the trees shedding the leaves, it also has a sound. You tap on the table, it also produces a sound. You think of wind flowing, believe me, it has an amazing sound, which certainly is unmatched by any human device. No matter how advanced have we become in terms of music industry, however, certainly we cannot copy what God has created in terms of sound. That's how we got the knowledge of sounds, I'd say. And when I talk about this particular field, I cannot forget the name of the famous singer Pankaj Udhas. He has been into this whole music industry concept since last 5 decades, as far as I know. And he's one of those individuals, when he sings, it touches your heart from within. And that's what I love about him. Another thing which impressed me the most about him, that he's a person who is very generous at heart. I've not met him in person, unfortunately, I'd say, although I would definitely love to have an opportunity someday to meet him and express my gratitude and express my love towards his songs. However, I was reading one of his articles in the newspaper and saw a couple of videos as well of him, where he states that for him the most important thing is humanity. If you're treating people well, that's the most important thing. And another thing which he commonly talks about in his interviews is philanthropic activities. Although there are a lot of people who are into philanthropic activities, and I really appreciate all of them. However, with him, he has a tie-up with a couple of NGOs. Especially, he makes sure that he's donating a lot to old age homes, as he believes that people who are elderly require the most help, and he has this soft corner towards those people. Somehow it feels like he treats them like their elderly father mother figure, so he gives them immense respect. That's what was mentioned, and which shows as well when you listen to his songs. My favorite being there was a song of Naam movie, title song. The song is about a son who's staying in a different country, and the mother is waiting for his son. So when I heard the song for the first time as a kid, literally I had tears in my eyes. Although I had no idea, as in there was no connection to it. However, when I think about it now, I feel whosoever has heard that song even once, it has touched their hearts. That is the power of music, and that is the power, I'd say, of his voice as well. He When we think about him, he is actually an individual who does not need any introduction. Everyone across the world knows him for not only his generosity, however, for the kind of music that he has given to all of us in all these decades. Overall, I'd say that it's a great honor for me to have been born in the same era, I'd say, that I got this opportunity to listen to his songs and um, not see him physically. That's my bad luck. So it was a one. It's actually a wonderful experience whenever I listen to him, truly. And another fact which I love about his songs is that he it motivates you from within to do better, to help people around, as most of the songs are life related. And there are songs which actually jolt you from within to do better in life and to be a good human being. That's the kind of person he is, and that's what his music delivers, a life path to individuals. So, this is about the part two topic, guys. Thank you so much for your time. It was a lovely delivering this topic to all of you, and have a great day ahead. Bye bye.